Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from the Sewers Club. But before I tell you all about that, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me. So this box is the only subscription box that I get currently. I've tried a few others. This has by far been my favorite. There are a few things that I love about it. There are a few options for the box through the company. This is the Stash Builder box. They also have project boxes as well. So what I love about this, although there's many things, is first of all, I love getting a surprise in the mail and I love building up my fabric stash, but also you get options with this. So you can get it once a month, you can set it up to be bi-monthly, so it's every other month, or you can set it up to be quarterly. You also get to pick your own fabric types. So you still get the surprise of a subscription box where you don't know exactly what's in it, but you do have a little bit of control on what fabrics that you choose to get. You also can choose how many fabrics you want. So you can get 5, 10, or 15. And all of these options are laid out beautifully on their website, for which I'll put a link below in the description and also in the first comment below. Also, if you do subscribe, you do get a discount with your first box. I believe it's 25% off. And I do get a small commission with any box that is ordered through my site here. And that helps me make videos for you all. Let's get started looking inside this particular box. I'm so excited to see what's in here. I love the box too. All right, so I am unboxing this live. It is sealed. You can see here, it is completely sealed. So you will get my true reaction to this. And of course, I'll be honest. So for my fabrics, I chose 15 and I am choosing floral, solid, and blenders because I want to build them up holiday and seasonal. I didn't pick batiks, juvenile, children's, and shimmers and animals, I think. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty they are. Part of me just wants to leave them exactly like this, but yeah, I'm not going to. Another nice thing is that they give you the list of all of fabrics and the makers and all of that going from left to right. Okay, so let's look at these beauties. I'm going to take the first one out. Okay, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, I love this. What a great blender. And I love the yellows and the browns. I think it's Bayou by Opal Twinkle. But I'll also put it up on the screen for all of these as I go through. And I'll also try to fold them back up because they're just so pretty. How'd this go? All right, we'll do it like that. All right. Oh, look at this one. This is Sunshine. Look at the sunshines. This just makes you happy to look at it. It's a directional print. Not a fan of directional prints because sometimes it limits you, but I think it would be really pretty as a background in a blender. And I love the sunshines. Ooh, so nice. All right. Ooh, this one. Oh, this one's just like the other. Just a darker colorway. So it's the X's. You can see. I like it in this mustard yellow. So pretty. All right. Well, we got a nice solid green, which I love, love, love. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so I did say seasonal. Oh, this isn't, I thought it was corn at first, but it's not. I think they're those catty nine tails. What are they called? They are the things that you sometimes see near the water. They're so pretty. I love the purples and the yellows, and I also love how they go with this one really well, and well, all of them actually, but I love that they kind of all go together too. That's so cool, so pretty. All right, let's keep going. Ooh, this is really regal looking almost. This would be great for English paper piecing. You could do a lot of things with this, fussy cutting on the different spots. We see that same plant that I can't think of the name of right here. And I love this. I love it. It's very rich and lovely. I love it. Okay, so here's a blue blender. I love this too. It has like, it almost looks like pebbles or something. So there's dots on it. They're random, which I really love. It's a great background. Beautiful. Ooh. Oh, another one. And are these tiger lilies or orchids? I'm not sure. I don't know my flower names, but let me know in the comments. Look at how pretty this is. I love this one too. All right, I'm going to move this box out of the way because I think it's casting a weird shadow. Here's tulips. I know these, I think. They're tulips, very, very pretty. A nice pink. I actually have a project I'm working on right now that this will look wonderful in. And I'm doing a miserable job folding these, but that's okay. And a nice blender. Oh, it's like a rose color. I like that a lot. Now with any of these fabrics, if you want more, if you get the box and you want more of them, you can order it on their website. They do sell other things other than these subscription boxes. And they're out of Canada, but they do ship to the United States and Australia, I believe, a few other places. Oh, I like this too. I don't know, this reminds me of a video game or something like from the 80s. I can't even describe it. It has a grid on it and there's lots of little polka dots. Very nice. Oh, this is pretty too. Look at this purple with all the flowers, the daisies, and all the other yellow flowers and white flowers, and then the purple background. I think this is gorgeous. Very pretty. Okay, then we have a stripe. I like this too. This would make a great background. Again, directionals are my favorite, but you know what? Maybe it'll push me to use them more. And maybe the reason they aren't my favorite is because I don't use them enough. Here's a green in the same pattern. So I'll put the purple and the green next to each other so you can see. Very pretty. Love it. All right. And then, oh, we have this. This is maybe my favorite with the pink flowers and the dark background. I love this too. Oh my goodness. Okay, here they all are, and I just love them. So I have so many favorites with this box. I really love this one, even though it is directional. Not always my favorite, but I do love the design, so I definitely will use that. I love this one too, but most of all, oh, this one's pretty too, but most of all, I love that I got a lot of blenders. I also got some nice fallish fabrics for the seasonal, and of course I got florals, which is what I wanted. I think this is screaming to be in an English paper piecing block because you could center that and then do some fun stuff with the designs around it, but I don't know. I love them together. I love all of these. I love them all. They just make me happy, and I love getting a surprise each month. Aren't these wonderful? I just love them. Sometimes it's just stuff like this that puts me in such a good mood. I love fabric. I love looking at it. And this gives me my fabric fix and a nice surprise too. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you consider subscribing to this box and to me. If you liked what you see, give it the thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Make sure you take some time to sew. Bye.